is up, everyone? Christian here. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm very excited because we are going to unbox a lot of boxes. Let's get started. And the first thing we're going to unbox is this rechargeable submersible LED light. It comes in a pair inside the box, so you get two of these lights, two remote control. What's interesting about this is that you can submerge this underwater, you can submerge it in the pool, you can submerge it on a tub or a jacuzzi, and it's rechargeable, so you don't have to keep changing the batteries. And you can use the remote control to switch it on and off, change the brightness of the light, set up the sleep, and also some color changes. It has a pretty huge battery and it's straightforward to use, so it's quite convenient and it's interesting. What do you think? And next we have this dual band Wi-Fi extender from Rockspace, which is pretty interesting because I haven't seen any Wi-Fi extender that is dual band and just quite affordable. So you can check the link in the description below if you want to check the price, but I'll be doing a review for this, so you make sure you check that video later. And inside the box you'll just see the router with its foldable antennas. It's not as thick, but it's just okay. It looks like just a power adapter, and you can plug a direct Ethernet to this extender. There's some lights on the front, and it has the UK plug, which is quite convenient. And next one is one of the things that I'm very interested in, which is the smart plug. So into the box it comes with 4 pieces. It's compatible with Alexa and Google. So let's go ahead and open this. We have the 4 smart plug inside. So I'm more interested in this because you can actually have connect it to your regular devices and make it smart. And just use your voice assistant to like switch it on and off, or maybe enable some sleep timer. So I like this because it is already using the UK plug. It's not very thick, it's just like a regular power adapter, and there's an on and off switch over there. I'll be doing a full review for this, so stay tuned if you're interested about this product. And the next gadget that we're going to unbox is the eMeet Luna. So this is a wireless speakerphone, which is ideal for those working at home, for Zoom calls, conference calls, because it has a clear quality and HD audio, and also it has 3 microphones, and it has AI noise reduction, and it's quite compact. And opening the box, you'll have the speaker. It's quite huge. It weighs 290 grams, and charging time is around 3 to 4 hours. But you won't regret this speaker because it feels so premium. It's aluminum all throughout. The buttons are neatly placed, and yeah, it's quite convenient. You can just bring it outside, or you can put it on your table. It is not an eyesore. It is beautiful, and I'll be doing a review for this and on what other things that we can find out on the eMeet Luna. And our next product that we're going to unbox is from Holy High. This is one of the true wireless earphones, and it's quite nice because it has a hook to put it in place, so it could be used for sports or for running. It's quite stable and it looks comfortable. Yeah, so I'll be doing another review for this if you're keen to check out this product. And check out the time. It's up to 30 hours plus because of with the battery case. It has pure sound, it's lightweight, and it supports voice assistant. So opening the box, the case looks like it's quite huge. It looks like a bar of soap. Okay, so let's gotta open it. Oh, that's quite nice. It is pretty nice, but it's just bulky. It's quite big. It's probably because the case has a bigger battery, so that will last longer. I still have to try this, but when it comes to its design, I believe it will stay in place. It's ideal for running or from other sports because it just hooks in your ear. So let's see. Let's have a closer look. It looks interesting, and it looks very nice and stable to use. I'm very excited to try this. And another box from Amazon. Let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks like more earphones. These are true wireless earphones from Holy High and Arbili. Let's see. So this looks like it's a much smaller, more compact version because it's up to 25 hours of playtime, and it's pretty light. The design itself, it looks pretty handy compared to the first one that I unboxed. Okay, yeah, that's pretty light. And yeah, it's a black case from Holy High. Let's see. And it's using a Type-C connector to charge this. Alright, so yeah, it's gonna look like an EarPod, but it's black. So this design is in-ear, so it might not hold on my ear based on my experience, but I'll try this. I'll be doing a review, just one video for this 3 earphones. You can check that out. Okay, so this looks interesting. It's a bit heavy for the box, and look at the how many hours you can use this. It's 100 hours with the charging case. Imagine 100 hours of play time with this earphones. So let's open this. Let's see, it looks interesting. Okay. And alright, yeah, it's pretty bulky, it's pretty big, it's more heavy than the first earphones. Wow, look at that, there's a display at the top. This is the battery percentage of the case and each side of the earphones, and those are cool lights on the earphones or the earpiece itself. And the charging port, it's using a Type-C, and there is another Type-A USB. I believe you can use this as a power bank. Okay, so it has a big battery. You can charge your phone, probably not full, but enough for you to last for probably a few hours. On the side, it looks pretty thick, but looking straight at it, it is very slim and small and tiny. But looking at this angle, it's pretty thick. Okay, so those are the earphones. So I'm excited to try and test this phone. All right, next one we have. Wow, this is quite good and interesting product. We have the Smooth X. This is a handphone gimbal from Ji-Yoon. All right, let's open this. Just inside the box we have the gimbal and charging cable, nothing more. It looks very compact. The box itself is very small. Okay, so it says that we have to download the app, which I'm gonna try later. Okay, so it looks pretty neat. This is one of the affordable gimbals out there for handphones, and it gets interesting. I've heard about this. It gets interesting because you can use it as a selfie stick. It extends. So that's what makes this gimbal. It's compact, but it extends. Alright, so moving along to the next one. Okay, we have another gimbal. It's from iSteady X. This is from Hohem. The model is iSteady X. It is also lightweight at 259 grams. It's foldable, and it has a lot of options, which I'm very excited to test. I never really used much on handphone gimbals, and this is the white version. Alright, so I'll be doing another review for this, probably compare it with the Smooth X from Ji-Yoon. This comes with a full package, so it has a tripod stand, which is quite good, and you also get some charger, because this charges through Type-C. You get a short lanyard, and yeah, so for you not to drop the gimbal. And also you have a pouch. I believe this is a pouch. Yeah, this is a pouch for transporting gimbal is quite easy, and you have the user manual. And lastly, we have this amazing product. So probably it's not very clear what it is for you, but this already had a peek. This is a portable monitor. So what's good about this is this Lee Powell portable monitor, it uses a Type-C, it connects to your phone, it connects to your computer, and you don't have to plug it elsewhere. If you're using a Type-C to Type-C, it uses your phone or your computer's power to power up this device, so it's quite portable. It already has a built-in speaker, but if you are not using a Type-C, you can still plug it using an adapter or probably use a power bank, and it's 15.6 inches, so it's a Type-C portable and connects through USB, connects through HDMI and Type-C and the 3.5mm jack. There's so much more to talk about this. And there you have it. So you all know that I'll be very busy this week or next week or even a few weeks more, because I'll be doing a review with those products as well as my Xiaomi products as well. So make sure you're subscribed and hit on the bell notification icons to get notified once I upload a new video. And yes, 30K is coming up. I would like to thank everyone for the support. Make sure you tune into the channel because I'll be doing a giveaway soon once we reach 30,000. So I'll see you on the next video.